Hello friends, today we are in the heart of Delhi, but not on a usual tourist trail. We are exploring a street that feels more like an open air art museum. Welcome to the Lodi Art District, India's very first public art district. As I drove through the calm streets of Lodi Colony, I stumbled upon this stunning mural by Polish artist Nespoon. Her art blends traditional European lace with Indian Rangoli designs. Originally, she'd considered using brown, but after soaking in the reds around her, the bindi, the saris, she switched to bold red, and honestly, it pops beautifully against the Delhi backdrop. And that's just one of over 60 murals in the district, each one created by artists from across the world and from right here in India. Each one tells a story. Here's Dharavi's Flower by German artist Alanis, known for massive emotional portraits. This one's based on a photo he took of a young girl in Dharavi. Her eyes, her calm strength, it draws you in. Interestingly, these buildings were designed in the 1930s by British architect William Henry Mead, who built the Sacred Heart Cathedral and the Redemption Church. Today, it is used as the government residence. The wide arches and symmetrical windows now act as beautiful vintage canvases for the mural art paintings. The Gupta Dwar or Secret Door by Singaporean duo Yoke and Shreo. Inspired by Indian matchboxes, the mural hides cryptic messages. Can you find them all? From Belgium, Adelaide Renault painted pigeons. Her favorite paintings world over are about pigeons. Sounds simple, but her works remind us how pigeons, like people, exist in every city, trying to build a home amidst the chaos. The Cause and Effect by Singaporean artist Sam Low. It follows a little sparrow, symbolizing how each decision we make affects another. You are free, or are you? Maybe you are that sparrow too. On a sunny afternoon, walking these wide, uncrowded lanes, you can feel the art breathing. It's peaceful, reflective, and yet it's an Instagram heaven. Here's a mural by Samir Kulavur. Samir, a Mumbaiker, has been closely observing the rapid transformation of urban surroundings and culture in India in the 90s. He noticed how some plants became social media celebrities. Low maintenance, very aesthetic, just like fast fashion. Painted back in 2019, this mural painting is even more relevant today in this post-pandemic social media savvy times. Some murals have faded with times, others are partially hidden by trees or blocked by parked vehicles and construction works. It's a reminder even art has to fight to survive. From New Zealand, Aaron Glason's mural celebrates the sacredness of everything, inspired by Indian mythology and Indus Valley motifs. Try spotting all the cultural references. It's a visual treasure hunt. And finally, here's the most relevant topic of this day, the Climate 05, Reclaim Air and Water by Italian artist Enrico. He didn't just paint air pollution, he used actual smoke particles to make his ink. That's right, air ink made from pollution smoke. Air meets science and science meets activism. I couldn't find the name of the last two murals in the video. If you know it, drop it in the comments below. The Start Plus Art India Foundation and the collaborators made this vibrant space possible. These murals aren't just pretty pictures. They are stories, statements, dreams in colors. The story of teamwork, of the world coming together. Let's preserve them, respect the art. So if you are in Delhi or planning to visit, skip the usual and take a walk through Lodi Art District. Who knows what stories you will find waiting on the walls? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more art-inspired travels. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.